Hello again. In the last video we looked at adding and configuring the attendance module. So your next step naturally would be to take the register. Now how do you do this? Rather easy. You click on the attendance module. Recall that you would have set up your sessions previously. As you can see, the 15th has gone, so this session is marked already. Okay, so let's say you are at class for the 18th of June and you're ready to take your roll. You click on this green button and this page will come up. Now you have two options in terms of the views. What we are looking at here is the sorted list. You can change to what is called the grid. I somehow prefer this layout. It's just like your usual register. Right, so you have four options for each student. P is for present, late, excused, or absent. And you have a little box here that you can make remarks about each student as well. Okay, so as you will normally do, you can go through the list and you mark what's the situation with each student. But to save some time, what you can probably do, I think it's a good idea to use your letters at the top so you can mark all students present, because usually you would have more present than absent, and then you can just make a note of those that are absent. So you change those that are present to absent. So okay, let's say Yvonne was absent and Julian as well. Okay, now I guess the comments would be used if there was some excuse that was presented for the students' absenteeism on that day. Right, so that's about it. You take your roll and just ensure that you click save attendance at the bottom. So I am doing so now. Attendance is taken. So that's it for the 18th. Now you can always go back and edit if you wish to at some later time go back to a particular day. You see, you can just click that green arrow and it takes you there. Okay, you have many more features that you can explore in the report. You can see what is happening with everyone as you move along with your course. So we can see here that Yvonne was present twice, and those that are not taken yet would show with your question marks. You can export the sheet if you wish for record keeping or any other reason you might want to do that. You can edit each session, right? If during the course of the semester there is some change related to your time, no problem. You can always return and click this little gear for the session to edit the particular session. Okay, so I think that's rather easy. I do not know what approach you will take. I have a feeling that rather than taking your computer to the class, as you will normally do, you can just make a note of the students that are absent for a particular session, and then at some later time you can then enter the data here in the online environment. So okay, then that's it for your attendance module. I think you should all be ready now to add the attendance module, configure it how you would like, set up all your sessions, and as well now take your roll on a regular basis. Alright, well, see you next time.